Let's set up another James Sinclair artisanal Sudoku puzzle. Today we're going with Fiddler crab. We have normal Sudoku rules apply. All clues are standard. Digits cannot repeat on the indicated diagonal, and thermometers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so that's going to be a tough one. All right, so let's... So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, that's wrong. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the 1, we know that so this is a 1, 2, 3 triple. Okay, that's great. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that we don't know anything else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where's the 9? The 9 has to go here, because it cannot be on a bulb and it cannot be on the second to last one of a thermometer. And we already canceled it out from here. Okay, so 9 is in one of those. So 8 would have to go either here or here. All right, I'm gonna put 8 here and here. So we know that it has to go on one of those. That's fine. 6, 7, all right, what else do we know? What about, so if the 1, 2, 3 is down here, or is on this diagonal, they cannot be down here. So this is going to be a 1. So we know that these would have to be a 2, 3, right? Actually, no, because this could be, but 2, 3 is in, 2, 3 cannot be on this. If this, that cannot be a 1, so this cannot be a 2, but it could be a 3. So it kind of forces the 2 here, 2, that's a 1. Okay. I'm just going to give a check mark to see if my logic has been sound so far. Okay, first 2.5 minutes, I got good logic. Love that. So 1s are going to be over here. All right, that's fine. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. So the 3 would have to go here. All right, so this is a minimum of 4. All right. So that'd be 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. No, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we know, actually the 7 doesn't have to be here. That's tough. That's tough. But a 4 is going to be on this diagonal. No, because this could still be a 3. That could still be a 3. So that could be a 4. That could be a 5. That could be a 6. Ah, that's frustrating. But I'm glad I saw it. Glad I caught that before. And we know that the 1 is up there, so then we can place the 1 in that box there. So then the 1 is over here. So the 1s are in one of those two, which places the 1 in that box in the diagonal. So that's a 2, 3. Okay, so what else do we see? That can't be there. Bunch of 1s. 1's here. All right. So 9 is either here or on the diagonal, so which means 9 is either here or on the diagonal, which is not super helpful. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, okay, so we know that 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. This just looks very messy, which is normally how I play, but this is a little worse than normal, I would say. So 9 is here or here. Yeah, 8 is here or here. All right. Okay, so this can no longer be a 2. That can no longer be a 2. So forces the 2's over here. Could be 2, 3. So that can no longer be a 3. That can't be a 4 or a 5 or a 6. So that cannot be a 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Okay. Because it could be 4, 5, and then that could be 2, 3. Yeah, that could still work. Because we do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6. No, that couldn't work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These would both be 7s. Okay, so if this was 2, 4, and then this was 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's still not working. But I need to figure that out. That's a little... Brain's not computing at the moment. All right, where's the 2? Where's the 2? This is a 2. So that can't be a 2, so this is a 2. Okay, so if this cannot be a 2, this cannot be a 3, which can't 4, 5, 6, or 7. Okay. So then this has to be 3, 4. Does this have to be a 5? No, it doesn't, but okay. Because this could be 5, 6, 7, or 8. All right, let's remove 3, 4. So if that can't be a 4, that can't be a 5, that can't be a 6. So we know 4 is on the diagonal. Three, 4, 5. Okay, so what else can I clear out? So this is now 6, 7, 8. Does that 6, 7, 8 triple? So that would force this to be a... All right, I'm going to remove that one and remove that one. So if this would be a 5. Wait, 6, 7, 8. Where's a 4? There's no 4 in this box.